Come on, baby boy. Let me get this hair together with this Magic Curl shampoo. Let's get it together. Okay? After I shampoo it, condition it with the Magic Curl conditioner. Let's blow dry it out with the leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to mix some essential oils and natural carrier oils and my secret weapon. And let's put this concoction together. Let me oil your scalp and give you a nice massage. When you manipulate and massage the scalp, it circulates the blood and it gets it flowing, and it helps to promote a healthy hair follicle. Yes, this feels so good. Oh my goodness. Yes, that's the best part of the service. Huh? Yeah. Dang, I love this hair. Don't stop. Don't stop. Dang. She feels so good. Man, your stylist be doing this to your hair too? Do she get in your scalp? Yeah. Now watch her whip up these braids. Yeah. She really moves fast. I was very impressed. This was my first time coming to her, so okay. She don't play about them braids. Them little bitty fingers moving. Okay. She got this. I trust. Bam. Bam. She lubricated my scalp. It's moisturized. It's hydrated. Shampoo, conditioner, blow dry, leave-in conditioner,